premium non-woven fabrics arrive, ready to begin face mask production. Every fabric roll is carefully inspected for quality, cleanliness, and consistency. Approved fabric rolls move safely toward the automated production line. The production line loads each fabric roll with precision and perfect alignment. Layered materials begin the first stage of automated face mask manufacturing. Multiple fabric layers align perfectly for precise face mask production. The nose wire is inserted automatically for a secure and comfortable fit. Ultrasonic welding seals the nose wire with speed and precision. Uniform pleats are formed to improve flexibility and mask performance. Precision cutting separates each face mask body with perfect accuracy. Elastic ear loops are fed into the production line with perfect timing. The left ear loop is welded securely using ultrasonic technology. The right ear loop is attached, completing the face mask assembly. Advanced cameras inspect every mask for perfect quality and accuracy. Approved face masks move forward, ready for automated packaging. Every finished mask is counted automatically with high-speed precision. Robotic systems stack each mask carefully for efficient packaging. Face masks are sealed into protective pouches for safe distribution. Automated inspection verifies every package before shipment. Approved packages are packed into cartons, ready for warehouse storage. Finished cartons move into the warehouse through automated conveyor systems. Robotic palletizers stack cartons quickly with perfect precision. Stretch wrapping secures every pallet for safe handling and storage. Forklifts transport wrapped pallets to the finished goods warehouse. Finished products await distribution inside the organized warehouse. Automated scanners verify every pallet with speed and accuracy. Approved pallets move safely through the warehouse logistics system. Shipping labels are verified before every pallet is approved. Organized pallets enter the loading queue for final preparation. The loading dock prepares every shipment for safe and efficient dispatch. Every shipment is verified before leaving the factory warehouse. Safety checks ensure the loading dock is fully prepared for dispatch. Forklifts load each pallet with precision and maximum care. Every pallet is positioned securely inside the transport trailer. The loaded trailer is ready for its final dispatch inspection. Every pallet is secured to ensure safe transportation. The trailer is sealed and locked for secure shipment. Final approval confirms the shipment is ready for dispatch. The loaded trailer departs as production continues uninterrupted. The factory prepares for the next production and shipping cycle. Fresh materials keep the production lines running without interruption. Automated systems manufacture face masks with speed and precision. Finished masks are packaged continuously for efficient distribution. Every department works together in one seamless production process. This modern factory delivers safe, reliable face masks with outstanding efficiency.